I'm going to be showing you exactly how to use the number filter section on WhatsApp Web Pro today, guys. Super easy, all right? And you can extract these straight from Google Maps. I'll show you how to do that. But please pay attention to the video because there's so many features on this website that I do cover throughout this channel. So please pay attention. Let's get straight in. So guys, we're going to use the Google Map data extractor, okay? You just want to click here and click on start. Once you hit start, you're going to have the chance to put your keyword into the search bar. Once you put it in the search bar, guys, all right, this is obviously where you're going to type exactly what it is you're looking for. So I'm looking for car company, okay? Then what I want to put is simple, in Dubai. Because I'm actually going to Dubai, I want to look for this car company. So I'm going to put search after I've added it, and then it's going to open the browser of Google Maps. In Google Maps, all right, it's going to scrape through these leads for you. All you need to do is make sure you click grab email ID, all right, and start grabbing. It will then start the status of running, and it will count up exactly how many it's grabbed over the time. Guys, this will keep going up, and they will drop into this bottom section you can see here. All right, this could literally go up to hundreds until you stop it. Okay, it's complete. It'll get every single one in Dubai. Now, let's fast forward to when it gets to complete. So we're going to stop it now, okay? Stopped at 17. We don't want to be here all day, and we're going to go down to the bottom and export this information, this data. Once you click export, it simply just save straight to your computer, all right? Save it wherever you need to be. Make sure you can find it. And we now have these 17 different leads. So as we export this, guys, it's going to be easy to view for you, all right? It's in an Excel sheet. You can open it up and you'll be able to easily see all the information. Look at this. You got everything from the mobile number, category, address, website, email ID, closing, even got the latitude and longitude, all right? With their mobile numbers down here, you can see all these numbers. You can actually count how many you've got, 17, of course. Guys, this could go on forever. It's completely up to you how long you want to do it. So copy the mobile numbers. That's for step 2. All right, we want to copy the mobile numbers, and we obviously want to go over to a spreadsheet. Put the spreadsheet in an Excel, mobile numbers like this. Okay, we now have the mobile numbers saved. Okay, and you can do this with all the information as you need it. But of course, what we're looking for here is to use some of the features. So guys, once you've copied that, okay, you want to go to WhatsApp number filter. This is where we can actually filter the numbers we just got. So let's upload the Excel from the numbers that we've just extracted, okay, and then you can see them add up in the left. You can change your delay settings as you wish. I just leave mine as the recommended settings, okay? It's completely up to you how you want to leave them. So you can change them, and then you can see where it says number 3, initiate WhatsApp, scan QR code from your mobile, okay? You're going to click to initiate. What this does for you now, okay, goes over to web.whatsapp.com. You need to make sure that you're logged into WhatsApp as you're doing this, all right, so it can actually access it, and you'll see it's initialized. Then you just simply click start. This is going to start filtering these numbers out for you, all right? Again, the running status will come up, and you'll see the percentage of how many is completed. It will go through all 17, guys. Once it's completed, it will open up this picture where you can actually save the file. So simply just save it. Now you've got this file to your computer. So that should have been 3 files in the total step. Okay, you've got number filter. This is the one you're going to use now, okay, and it'll show you which is available and which is not available, guys. Really easy, really neat tool to use. I'm so in love with all the features on this website, all right? Super easy to use, and it can just excel your business through WhatsApp like no other. Guy, with WhatsApp Web Pro, all right, it's a fantastic product. Please let us know if you enjoyed the video, but there's so many customers using this, right? Over 5,714 in total. Personalized messages, number generators, filter numbers, sender reports, all these fantastic features. There's a gallery on the main site that you can look for a price of $0 for 3-day trial, or you can go for $89.99, get straight in, 1 license, all features on a one-time lifetime fee. Thank you so much, guys. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you next time.